Welcome to SOW Writing Training. SOW stands for Statement of Work. SOW Writing Training gives you ideas, devices, methodologies, and design of Statement of Work, SOW. Statement of Work is the premise of the relationship among buyers and sellers. The offer of products and enterprises must be executed by skillfully creating the SOW record. SOW writing training is expected for hands-on utilization by necessities engineers, in-house SOW group individuals and other venture directors and contract administrators whose jobs contain fittingly deciding needs and changing over them into quality contracts. It conveys the information you require, including principal contract administration ideas, to dependably create and manage compelling SOWs. Learn about acquisition planning, market research, performance documents, developing statements of work, importance of language, developing evaluation factors, quality assurance surveillance plans, performance incentives, the value of SOW, the application of SOW, SOW construction, writing SOW, contract SOW versus a project SOW, developing your own SOW style. SOW writing training is a hands-on course including group activities, templates, and hands-on workshop. Audience: federal employees, contractors, PMP certified project managers, IT project managers, project coordinators, project analysts, project leaders, senior project managers, team leaders, product managers, program managers, project sponsors, project team members. All individuals who need to write a SOW. Training objectives: recognize the usual mistakes of incorrect, confusing or misconstructed narratives. Use simple approaches and best practice methods that will secure high quality in their SOW documents. Identify what a breach of contract requires. Help others to evaluate SOWs for quality, clarity and unity. Use data on how the courts historically understand arguments in contract language based on long-standing rules. Identify the actual requirements. Choose a proper SOW type that fulfills the government requirements. Explain all features of the work to be performed in a way that will be comprehended. Write a clear SOW that will lead to responsive, competitive proposals. Assess the effect of a SOW on accomplishing best value across the acquisition process. Course outline. Overview of SOW writing. The SOW background. Describing the work. Generating the narrative. Signed SOW modifications. Developing the SOW. Dealing with your SOW. TONEX case study and template samples. Participants of this intensive, hands-on seminar will exercise to write each section of the SOW. Participants will also examine SOWs from a contractor's view, the questions a contractor might have upon reading the SOW, and the inconsistencies that cause confusion. You will learn best practices for making sure your SOWs communicate to your intended readers in order to accomplish the best value for your acquisitions. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, pricing. Visit our website www.tonex.com.